Check silver price Thursday. Your money is dry grass in a wildfire, torched. Something is about to happen this Thursday that could torch your savings faster than LA wildfires. What's coming has the potential to flip the silver market on its head early. Early, like you need to wake up now. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month's winner never claimed his prize. We have 20 eagles just sitting here with no home to go to. Don't be that guy. Click that link below, be the next winner on that list, and take home that silver. Now, look at this. In the next 48 hours, we've got a stack of economic reports lined up that can yank silver in either direction, and they hit hard and fast. Wednesday, we have the U.S. import and export price indexes. When those drop, they tell us whether global trade is heating up or cooling down, and silver reacts instantly because it's both an industrial metal and a monetary metal. Thursday, we have initial jobless claims coming out. That's a real-time snapshot of layoffs. We also have usual weekly earnings. That's wage pressure. It's inflation pressure, all in one number. The most recent jobless claims came in at 218,000. And that showed a slight cooling in the labor market, exactly the kind of number that pushes traders into metals when they start fearing economic slowdown. That's 3 reports we have coming. And you can see the power of just one of them. Trade prices, layoffs, wages. That's a 48-hour pressure cooker. And if jobless claims spike or wage growth cools, investors start preparing for rate cuts, and silver gets a surge of attention. If wages surprise higher or trade prices jump, yields pop, and silver gets slammed. Either way, this Thursday is not a normal Thursday. Let's talk about what all this data actually does to silver, because Thursday isn't just about numbers, it's about how traders interpret those numbers. If these reports come in soft, if weak wages or higher layoffs, cooling global prices, Wall Street instantly starts whispering about possible rate cuts. And when that happens, silver usually shoots up because it doesn't pay interest. Lower yields make metals look way more attractive. But there's a trick, because if Thursday's data shows strength, silver can get bulldozed. If wage growth stays firm and layoffs remain low, money rushes into stocks instead of metals. In the last rate cut cycle, listen to this, silver jumped nearly 15% in the first 60 days after rate cuts expectations shifted lower. That shows how violently this metal reacts when traders sense easier financial conditions elsewhere. So Thursday's data could either throw gasoline on silver or dump a bucket of ice water on it, depending on how it nudges the rate cut expectations. This is why Thursday's data might be one of the most important silver price moments of this fourth quarter. The third factor is the global backdrop, which is already shaky. Silver's current strength is tied to worries about supply tightness, worries about geopolitical risk, about slower global growth. When fear rises globally, metals catch a bid. But Thursday's data could change that mood instantly. If the numbers suggest that the economy's holding up better than expected, fears start cooling off and investors start dumping metals to chase profits. If the numbers show weakness, fear spikes and silver gets a surge. Global silver demand, listen to this number, it hit 1.14 billion ounces last year. 1.14 billion. That's one of the tightest supply-demand squeezes in a decade. And as we close out 2025, that is just getting worse. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles. 20 eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.